Hey guys, Irene here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I thought it would be fun to shoot side by side and compare my most expensive and cheapest camera setups. On the expensive side, we have Hasselblad X2D, a 100 megapixel medium format digital camera retailing for $8,200 USD, paired with XCD 90mm F2.5 lens that costs $4,300, totaling at $12,500 American dollars. And my cheapest camera is this cute Nikon Coolpix L30, a 20 megapixel point and shoot with fixed zoom lens and built-in flash. You can buy this now for around $100 on resale market, which I think is a crazy price for this camera because that's exactly what I paid for it when I first purchased it in 2015. This is your classic point and shoot with just some photo modes, so it mostly just has auto settings.
I'm gonna put this little tiny camera in my pocket. You know, one advantage of this is that it's very compact, very small.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh. Okay, do it again. Like, what? Have your head kind of this way. Yeah, and hair maybe just like a little bit in the front. Yes, yes. And just let it like, yeah, yes. Exactly. Oh, that's gorgeous. Yes, yes, like that. Keep your hands kind of how you had it, like, yeah, maybe holding on to the sweater and again kind of looking out. Yes, maybe you face towards me just a little bit more. No, body how you had it, but the face towards me, yes. Okay, and now don't move because I'm gonna take the same shot on the other camera.
Chunky flats actually makes it easier, I hope.
It's so funny because on this one, I can't really change much. There's no like auto-focusing, but I can change it to like portrait. So, okay, we're gonna zoom it in a little bit. Oh my god.
Did you get it like a garage sale or did you buy it new?
So, oh my god, okay, there it is. It's finding your face.
Where did you buy that, Irene?
We bought this, oh my god, when we went on a cruise like 10 years ago. And because I forgot my camera when we went on a cruise, yes.
Store on the cruise ship.
Yeah, so we just bought it from the store and it was like $100.
Oh.
At that time too, that was like pretty, or like 90. And look out that way. Yes, yes, that's very beautiful. Yeah, that's nice, yeah. Oh, hello. Oh, it's taking its time to like, okay, there we go.
So here's our first set of images, and hopefully you can guess which one is which. I actually really love the Nikon Coolpix picture. I think it has better composition and I like the slightly wider perspective that shows more of the background, but of course you can't compare it to the crazy quality and the smoothness that the Hasselblad is giving. And here are the unedited images. I was surprised how much information I was actually able to recover from the cheaper side because the RAWs look very overexposed, but I was able to pull all of that back with some editing and it actually looks pretty good in the end.
Like right over here. No, so in front of this guy because it's like right over here and in front of that. Yes, yes, yeah, right there, right there. Yes, oh, that's really nice. Oh, I love that. Yes. Oh, there we go. Yes, that's really nice. I have to wait like between each shot. It's really taking its time to write it. I think it's because I put it to maximum quality. It's still writing like pretty big like pixel. Okay, I want to zoom it in like really close now. Okay, yeah. We're gonna go for like kind of waist up, like more closer. Yes, yeah, that's beautiful. Oh, that's lovely, lovely. Let's try. See how this is gonna do. Oh my lord. Oh, this is gonna be interesting for sure. Ooh, a little wind action. Oh, this might work kind of cool. Oh my god. I wish I could like record the screen to show you what it looks like, because it looks insanely bad. Like, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, that's really pretty. Yeah, keep it like that, Lash. Yeah. Okay, there we go. One sec. It's taking its time to find your face. It's having trouble here too because it's so backlit. Okay, and I'll take one that's a little bit further here. Ooh. Wait a minute, that might look really cool. Oh, find the face, goddammit. Ooh, this might look cool. I don't know, I think what I'm seeing at the back is kind of dope. Oh, that's really cute. Oh, that's beautiful, Lash, yeah. And look at me here. And just leave the hair, let it like blow in the wind. And just move your body slightly to the other side, maybe. Yes, that's gorgeous. Love that. Yeah, just keep moving with the wind, yeah.
So these pictures were definitely my favorites that I've taken that day, and I really do love both of them, which I think really proves that it's not so much the gear that you use, but the photographer who takes the picture, the light, it always has to be good, good composition, awesome model, and the styling. And you can definitely take striking images even with the really dated and cheap equipment.
So I'm not sure if I'll be able.
It's kind of hard to pose on. Like I can make it work, but you gotta like.
Yeah, let's see what it looks like, if it's worth it. Oh, and then I. Ah!
You got burrs on you.
Oh, you have so many on your one arm.
I do.
Oh god, they're everywhere.
Yeah, that looks cool, Lash. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, that looks nice. Actually, the full body will be nice in here. So I need to just take a few more. Ooh, yes. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Ooh, that's beautiful right there. Chin down just a little bit here, just because I'm lower than you. Yes. Oh. Oh, that didn't focus. Okay, there we go. It's definitely having a harder time focusing here, just because it's pretty backlit. Yes. Alrighty. Oh, this might be a little too much for this guy. Oh. It's like getting crazy. Okay, I can do it like this. Okay, here it is. It's not as pretty as on the Hasselblad. Okay, I can do it like this way. Just have to avoid like a lot of sunlight going in, so I can shoot it from this side. Yeah, that's nice. That's not the exact comparison, but I have to shoot it this way. Yeah, that's really nice, Lashia. What if, I wonder if it's possible, no, it probably will look bad. No, like on that side, like when you're, you know what I mean? It might look stupid, let's see. Oh, it's not bad. Oh, that's really cute actually. Oh, that's really nice. Oh, that's beautiful. No, I liked it how it was before, the head, yeah. I think that's how you had it, yeah.
I think so.
Oh yeah, like that, no, yes, like that. And chin down just a little bit here. Yes.
I keep forgetting you're low.
Yeah, that's gorgeous. Ooh, that's beautiful right there. That's a gorgeous shot. Yeah. Keep going. Oh yeah, right there. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Oh yeah. Keep it like that. Don't move. So close your eyes. I'll tell you when to open them. Okay, open your eyes.
One thing I have to say is that it was very hard to focus the Coolpix camera. It was extremely slow just in general, but especially in more challenging situations like this really backlit one, all of the images came out of focus. Of course, this camera has its technical limitations, and I wanted to push it really far to see what I can get, and in some situations it was just not working like it should.
Whoa, but it's so pretty. Whoa. Oh, that's gorgeous. Can you take one step this way? So you're more in the sun, I think. Okay, let's see. Yes. Whoa. Very fall. Very fall. Very yellow. Oh, that's beautiful. Yes. Okay, let's see. What do I have it set on? Smart portrait. Okay, yeah. Beautiful, yes. Oh, I love that. Okay, don't move. Don't move. That was nice. Okay, let's see what that looks like. But I don't like it with flash. Let me see if I can change the scene to just portrait.
There must be a way.
Okay, let's see if I can just do portrait. Because it doesn't need the flash, yeah. Oh, I think it's just detecting that it is dark, so it's just flashing it, and I cannot change it. It's okay.
There isn't a little dial? That's crazy.
No. Like there is a little flash here, but I don't think I can look if I'm pressing it. Oh, wait.
Yeah, turn off auto. Come on, Grandpa.
The master. She's used to her Ferrari, okay?
I know.
She forgot how to drive.
Esteban, can you park the car?
Oh yeah, that's really nice, Leslie. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, keep that pose, don't move. Just have to be further here. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Yeah, that's gorgeous.
Alright, so this is it. What do you guys think? Well, I had a lot of fun making this video, and the more I shoot different cameras and lenses, the more I realized that it really does not matter as much as a lot of photographers think, and the best camera is the one that you currently have. It's sure nice to have expensive gear, and yes, it makes my life easier and it helps me achieve my vision without compromises, but please don't be hung up on the gear and make best out of what you currently have. So I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!